Hey guys, so I first off want to give a quick thank you to everyone for supporting our donations for the adoption and buying the raffle tickets. So very much big thank you. But now let's have a look at the reason you're actually watching this video. So this is the gun in question. Coming a little closer. It is get this right, an Anderson AM-15 pistol. So it's custom made, counted as a pistol, not an assault rifle, because of its overall length. You've got a slightly retractable on the stock. It's pretty much it. So what you're up to win is the gun. We have 4 magazines and we have a carry case for it. So give me 1 second here and let's see how she shoots. Oh, this thing really shoots nice. So, as it's decided to start raining, I should probably cut this a little short, but you have 1 week left, guys. Drawing is this coming Saturday. Get your tickets, get some more. There's a lot of tickets sold, you need to buy more. Thank you, guys.